He's finished the shot for 2 hours, yeah, 70 move. Because he's the best crane operator.
Who?
Michael Live.
Believe it.
He's the best. He finished 70 moves for 1 hour, maybe for 2 hours.
What you say?
Yes.
What? Yes, what?
Yes, what?
Shout out to the world. You
Is
on
it-
TikTok?
He's the best. Michael Live is the best crane operator in King Gulf. In the world, yeah, in the world, not in King Gulf.
See?
El,
Vincent.
el mejor operador.
What? Speak in English.
Michael Live.
Yes, he's what?
Un duro el tipo la aplica.